In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best working Abercrombie coupon codes in 2025. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser, and right here you'll have to search for Abercrombie coupon code. Right here, go to this website which is called Join Honey, and as you can see right here, we have a list with some promo codes and deals that we can use to get some discounts. So let's say, for example, that you want to get this phone with 25% discount for your entire purchase. All you need to do right here is just select this button where it says Get Coupon, and this is the promo code right here. You can easily tap on this button to copy the promo code and use this one on your next purchase so that you can get a 25% discount. Also, going back to the main search right here, we have this website which is called the Booking News. And right here, as you can see, you also have a list with some promo codes, and you can use these ones to get some discount. So let's say, for example, that you want to get this 25% discount of everything right here. All you need to do is select this button where it says Get Code, and right here, this is the promo code. You can simply tap on this button to copy the promo code, and you can use this one on your next purchase so that you can get a 25% discount. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.